Hey guys, and welcome back to Laws of Physio. In this video we're going to learn how to apply an arm sling. So this is the specific brand I'm using. This is how it appears in the packet all rolled up. When you open it, it's going to look something like this. Awesome, so this is us applying it to our patient here, making sure that the closed loop goes into the nook of the elbow, keeping the patient's arm at 90 degrees of elbow flexion. You're going to loop the big strap around the patient's shoulder, looping it through the metal rings here as shown. You're going to find that there's this little bit of extra material, and that's where the patient's thumb will go. These slings are made with Velcro, so it will stick onto itself, and it lets you adjust it depending on how big the patient is. It's one size fits most. The hard part for patients at home would be taking the sling on and off because they only have one arm. So this is how I would recommend doing it at home. Not fully releasing it, keeping it strapped like that. This way you can just drop your elbow in, get your elbow into that little crease at the end, looping your head in the hole, making sure that material is on your neck to give you a bit of support and reduce the friction you might get on the Velcro. And then the patient can readjust the Velcro strap to make sure that their elbow is nice and comfortable. They should feel that the elbow and the shoulder is completely supported, reducing pain and feeling pretty good. If you like this type of content, please leave a like. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next one.